Have you ever pondered about the power of words and thoughts on your personal growth? Let's take a moment to delve into the realm of positive affirmations. This isn't just about repeating optimistic phrases, it's about consciously choosing words that will either help eliminate something from your life or help create something new in your life. Our minds are incredibly potent and adaptable. When we feed it with positive affirmations, we're essentially rewiring our brain to believe in our capabilities and aspirations. Imagine the power of telling yourself every day that you are capable, resilient, and destined for greatness. It's like planting seeds of positivity that will eventually bloom into a garden of personal growth. These affirmations are not just feel-good quotes or motivational posters, they serve as gentle yet powerful reminders of who you are and who you can become. So remember, your words shape your reality. Choose them wisely. Now that you understand the power of positive affirmations, how clear are your goals? Let's delve into the essence of goal setting for personal growth. It's not just about setting any goals, but rather creating clear, well-defined ones. Think of your goals as your guiding star, leading you along your journey towards growth and development. To make your goals effective, they need to be SMART. That's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Specific goals help you focus your efforts and clearly define what you're going to do. Measurable goals help you track your progress and stay motivated. Achievable goals ensure that you're setting yourself up for success, not failure. Relevant goals tie into your broader life objectives, and time-bound goals create a sense of urgency and prompt action. With SMART goals, you're not just dreaming about your future, you're planning it. So take time to reflect, to define your goals, and to make them SMART. With clear goals, you can chart your path to growth and success. Now that you have your path set up and your goals are set, what's next? It's time to visualize your success. Let's delve into the concept of visualization, an essential facet of personal growth. Think of visualization as a mental rehearsal. It's the act of creating vivid, detailed, and clear images in your mind of the success you seek. Picture yourself achieving your goals, experiencing the joy, satisfaction, and triumph that comes with it. This powerful mental exercise does more than just motivate you. It prepares you for success. It helps you anticipate challenges, formulate strategies, and makes you more resilient in your journey. This isn't just wishful thinking. Science backs it up too. Studies show that visualizing success can enhance motivation, increase confidence, and improve performance. So make it a habit. Spend a few moments each day to visualize your success. Feel it, taste it, live it in your mind. Remember, visualize your success and you're halfway there. Your environment matters. How positive is your circle? Think about it. The people you surround yourself with, the conversations that fill your day, the attitudes that you're exposed to, they all shape your mindset and influence your behavior. It's like being a sponge, soaking up the energy around you. Hence, it's crucial to surround yourself with positivity, optimism, and encouragement. Imagine being part of a circle where everyone is striving for improvement, where everyone is eager to grow and succeed. This environment doesn't just inspire you, it propels you forward, fuels your ambition, and cultivates resilience. It nurtures your dreams and goals, making them feel not only attainable but inevitable. Positive and like-minded individuals can provide the right kind of influence that encourages personal growth. They challenge you, support you, and inspire you to reach higher, to strive harder, to become the best version of yourself. Remember, you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Next, you need to be focused and dedicated to learning things. Are you ready to learn, unlearn, and relearn? Imagine your mind as a garden. The seeds you plant are the knowledge you gain. The more seeds you sow, the more abundant your garden grows. Now think of continuous learning as the gardener who tends the garden, nurturing it, pruning it, and helping it flourish. In our rapidly evolving world, staying stagnant is not an option. We must adapt, evolve, and learn continuously. It's not just about acquiring new skills or knowledge, but also about discarding outdated information and unlearning harmful habits. Continuous learning is the catalyst for personal and professional growth. It opens doors to new opportunities, enhances our understanding of the world, and empowers us to make informed decisions. It keeps our minds sharp, our spirits high, and our lives vibrant. Remember, learning is not a destination, but a journey that enriches us, shapes us, and propels us forward. Stay hungry for knowledge, and you'll never cease to grow. Do you nourish your mind, body, and soul? In the pursuit of personal growth, it's essential to remember that our physical well-being serves as the bedrock for our mental and emotional stability. Consider this: your body is your vehicle in this journey called life. If you don't fuel it with the right nutrients, how can you expect it to perform at its best? A well-balanced diet, adequate hydration, and regular exercise can significantly enhance your cognitive abilities and emotional resilience. But let's not forget about sleep. It's during those quiet hours of rest that our bodies recharge and our minds process the day's events. Without sufficient sleep, our ability to learn, to create, and to solve problems can be severely impaired. And then there's stress management. Whether it's through meditation, yoga, reading, or simply spending time in nature, finding healthy ways to unwind is crucial for maintaining balance. Remember, good health is the greatest wealth. Every step matters. Do you celebrate your small wins? Pause for a moment and think about it. When was the last time you gave yourself a pat on the back for a job well done? No matter how small or insignificant it may seem. The journey of personal growth is paved with small victories. These are the unsung heroes of our stories, the tiny triumphs that keep us going, that give us the courage to face the next challenge with a smile. You see, acknowledging and celebrating these small wins is like adding fuel to the fire of your confidence. It's like giving yourself a much-needed boost on those days when the going gets tough. It's a practice that not only maintains motivation, but also amplifies it. When you celebrate your small wins, you're telling yourself, I can do this, I am doing this. And that's a powerful message to send to yourself. So the next time you achieve something, no matter how small, take a moment to celebrate it. Savor the victory, let it sink in, and then carry on with renewed vigor, because every small win is a step closer to your main goal. Failures can be stepping stones. Do you learn from your setbacks? If you're on a journey of personal growth, then you'll know that it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Failures, setbacks, they're all part of the package. But here's the kicker: they're not just obstacles, they're opportunities. Think about it. Every time you stumble, you discover a pitfall to avoid. Every time a plan doesn't work out, you're given the chance to refine it, to make it better. Failure isn't just an outcome, it's a teacher. A harsh one maybe, but often the lessons we learn from failure are the ones that stick with us the longest. So the next time you find yourself facing a setback, don't despair. Instead, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? And then, armed with your newfound wisdom, you can dust yourself off and continue on your journey with even more determination than before. Remember, failure isn't the opposite of success, it's part of success. Gratitude is an attitude. Do you express it enough? Gratitude, my friends, is the key that unlocks positivity. It's a gentle reminder that despite the storms, there's always a silver lining. It's the recognition of the good in our lives, the acknowledgement of the kindness that others bestow upon us. When we express gratitude, we're essentially shifting our focus from what's missing in our lives to what's already present, to what's beautiful and worth celebrating. It's a powerful tool in our personal growth arsenal. Why? Because it nurtures contentment, happiness, and positivity. It's a magnet for miracles. Imagine a life where you wake up each day appreciating the sunrise, the chirping of birds, the smile of a loved one, or the mere fact that you're alive. This is what gratitude can do. It can turn the ordinary into extraordinary. So let's make it a habit to express gratitude, to appreciate the good in our lives, and to spread positivity around us. Because remember, gratitude turns what we have into enough. Challenges are inevitable. Do you stay focused during tough times? In the journey of personal growth, the ability to stay focused is an invaluable asset. It's about keeping your eye on the prize, even when the going gets tough. It's about not allowing hurdles to blur the vision of your goals. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to become stronger. When you encounter obstacles, don't view them as roadblocks, but as stepping stones towards your goal. Resilience and determination are your two greatest allies. Harness them. Resilience will help you bounce back from setbacks, and determination will keep you moving forward no matter the odds. So, what's the secret to staying focused? It's simple. It's about never losing sight of why you started. It's about understanding that the path to success is not a straight line, but a winding road filled with ups and downs. Stay focused, go after your dreams, and keep moving toward your goals.